Hi, it's Anna with Lumber Nails. I want to show you how to make an easy flower with 3D gels. I'm going to use this beautiful pastel peach. First, we scoop a small portion of gel with a wooden stick or metal tool, roll it into a ball, and then roll it into a thin sausage. Now use the sharp side of the wooden stick and roll each portion of gel into a small ball and put aside on silicone mat. Now apply 3 or 4 or 5 balls, depends on how many petals you want on first layer, and then gently flatten with your finger. Now clean your silicone tool in alcohol and shape each of those pancake-like petals into a drop shape. As you can notice, I haven't touched sides of those petals. Now with a clean and dry brush, I will smooth those petals, open them to the left, to the right. It simply gives a nicer and cleaner look. Without curing of the first layer, I apply a second layer of petals. Again, it's in a small distance from the center, and I work on both petals in the same way as I did on those in the first layer. It is important to see a visible difference between 2 layers of petals. So we have to be really careful to not put any pressure on sides of the petals. I advise to touch them mostly from the center out. Once finished, we can put a pearl or a rhinestone in the center, then cure it and additionally seal it around with a small amount of gel. And here it is, our simple flower with 3D gel ready. I hope you will have fun playing with your 3D gels, and I see you in the next video.